Hello, myself Dipak. I am from CS5. I will tell you what I learned from the great learning course on Linux. So first we will open terminal. Now I will use the command mkdir to create a directory. So I will create a directory with the name my PRN number. So the directory is successfully created. Now we will go in the directory using change directory cd command. So now we are in the directory. Now I will create a file in this directory with the name Dipak. The file is successfully created. We will check if the file is created or not. So this is text editor. Now I will search for the files. So here we can see our directory in which dipak.sh is there. Now we can write something here.
Start.
Now we will write a simple program here. Echo command is used to display something. Read command is used to store something in the Now we will use echo command again to display the values taken from the user. And dollar command is used. Dollar is used to show stored in the variable. Now we will save this using Ctrl S or I, and we will go in terminal. Now to run what we have saved in the file, we use the command bash and the name of the file, and we get enter your name, enter your age, and it is displayed. So the code is running successfully. Now I will show you the second command, which is cat command. For that we will create a file. Now we will check whether this file is created or not. So you can see here dipak.txt. We will open it. Now we will write some content here, random content. So I have written something. So now I have written some text in it. I will save it, and now we will run here using cat command. We use cat command to display the content of that in terminal. So cat space file name dipak.txt. So now I will press enter. See, we can see all the info in the text editor has been printed here using the cat command in the terminal. Now we will write here something, and which will be redirected in the text editor. So I will write echo space. I will write random text like Ankit. space redirect to file name dipak.txt, enter. So we can see here, we will open the text editor, file has changed on disk. So discard changes and reload, and here Ankit has been printed, and the data which was before Ankit is completely deleted. Now if we want to write another data but we don't want to vanish this Ankit, then we will use a double redirect string. For example, echo Dipak. We will use this redirect string 2 times and the file name dipak.txt. Now no data will be lost. See, discard changes and reload. No data has been lost, and we can see clearly that the name has been printed. Now we will use the next command. This command is used to see the permissions of our file. The command is ls dash l and the file name deepak.txt. We can see that the permission is to read, write, read. Now if we want to change the permission to read, write, execute, we will use the command chmod 777 space file name deepak.txt. Now our file will be given the permission to read, write and execute. As you can see, the permissions have been given. We will check. Now the permissions has been given. You can see read, write, execute, and here it is in green. As we have given the permission to read, write and execute, now we will use the sed command to read the content in our text file. So sed /n space 1 comma start. So 1 is the starting line, comma ending line is 2, so comma ending line /p dollar space the file name deepak.txt. Now enter. As you can see, it has read our content. Now I will use the next command, which is file by command, to identify the type of text in the file. So file space b and file name. So it is sc text, which is pronounced as ASCII text. Now I'll use the stat command to display more details and information about the file. So it is stat space file name, and we can see all the details about it: device, encode, size, blocks, access, modify, change, date, birth, etc. Now we will create another file using touch command. d1.txt. Now we will open it. Now I will write some content here. So I have written some content here. Now I will use the command ls ltr to display all the files of my directory along with their permissions. So we can see here 3 files are there, out of which the depak.txt has got rwx read, write, execute permission due to our chmod command. Now at the end of the day we will use the clear command clear, which will help to clear all the content we have typed previously. See, it has successfully executed. So thank you for watching. This was all I learned from the Great Learning Certificate.